In today's class, we are going to discuss the topic of ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two objects. There are multiple ways to express in a ratio. The first way is simply saying one object compared to the other using the word to. For example, A to B is one way to write a ratio. A second way you can express a ratio is by using a colon, as in A colon B. The way that you say this ratio is the exact same as you would say this. This is still read as A to B. The third way you can express a ratio is by writing it as a fraction, which is simply A over B. And it's read as A over B. So now we are going to use these candy pieces to show ratios. So here I have 1 Tootsie Roll to 2 pieces of gum. And it's wrote like that. And it's also written as this, and it's also written as 1/2. So now we're going to use 3 Musketeer bars and pieces of peppermint candy to express another ratio. Okay, as we see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 3 Musketeer bars to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peppermints. Okay, so your ratio is 4 Musketeer bars to 6 peppermints. You can also write it as 4 to 6. And then also, when you write it as a fraction, we're going to have to go a step farther. And you have 4 over 6. In this step, you can see that both numbers are divisible by 2. So now we have to simplify the fraction. So if you simplify the fraction, you get 2 over 3. So 2/3 is the same ratio as 4/6. So essentially, you have 2 Musketeer bars for every 3 peppermints.